I hope you are enjoying the live. Let's try to create this presentation, and I'm going to also level it up. Here we have these transitions. I want to level up them for you and make it look better. Okay, if you like this kind of tutorial, you find many of them in my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. At first we create a blank space. You see this thing. What is it doing? I'm going to show. At first we format the background. The background is a picture that we inserted, and then we are going to picture correction and set the sharpness to -100 and brightness to -25. This picture we do that. Then we copy and paste the picture here. This is just a text. We copy and paste the text. This is just a simple text. We copy that, paste it here. I don't know why I can't find this text. Okay, I copy that and text it, paste it. We align it, and for the font is Overdrive Sunset and this shape format. Okay, but also I got it a little reflection. You can create it from here. It has this reflection in. You can create them. Okay, we have it. Now we need to add the text. How we can add the text? It's pretty simple. For adding the text, we copy this slide and bring this up. Okay, then we copy the text, paste it here. Okay, we paste the text here. But the important thing happened here. We create a shape in the size of the text and just simply bring to front the text. Then you see it's nothing beautiful, but we can do a magic. How? We format the shape and set it to slide background fill and shape outline to none. And also we gave it a little effect, more beautiful one, or you can just give it a shadow. Both are good. We are going to give it effect and a little shadow, down shadow. This is good. Okay, now I'm going to bring it out and just copy the, oh sorry, I'm going to copy the slide. And what I do, okay, I'm going to copy this slide and delete this text, bring it down and put the new text on it. Like this. And simply set the transition to morph. Now let's look like how it will look. Okay, the intro slide is looking amazing. This reflection on the water make everything so real. You can see that. And this thing is moving smoothly, but it has a little problem. It's not important. If you can make it better, I will appreciate your salvage of the problem, but this is enough for me. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then.